This revolutionary lantern provides vibrant streaming sound and 360 degrees of LED illumination, making it the perfect centerpiece for any outdoor get-together. The weather-resistant 360 sound and light lantern combines two devices into one, pairing quality audio entertainment with an adjustable 3-mode lantern and up to 400 lumens of bright LED light. With a USB rechargeable lithium-ion battery and Bluetooth speaker, it's powerful enough to light up the night and stream up to 20 hours of music. Bring friends and family together with the Coleman 360 sound and light lantern.